Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you're going to learn some of the top 10 commands that can be used in the Termux. Now, I'm going to open up my Termux. I have already updated my packets by typing apt update, and now I'm going to type apt install sl. Sl is a command used for fun. It is a simple small program, and now it gets installed. I'm going to wait for a while. Now it's installed, and next I'm going to type SL. Here comes a small train. So we came to know that the SL program consists of a small train which can move from one end to the another. So here is my next command, factor. If you want to check any factors of a number, you can just type factor and a number. Now here I'm going to type factor 100, and now it's showing the factors of 100. Those are 2, 2, 5, 5, and next typing factors of 200. Those are 2, 2, 2, 5, 5. So this is how we are going to get the factors of the numbers. So my next command is fish. I am going to install the fish by typing apt install fish. It gets installed, and now typing fish. It says that welcome to fish, the friendly interactive shell. Here you can get the shell command terminal. You can access any folder, any file through the fishing. And my next command is figlet. I am going to install by typing apt install figlet. Figlet is a command. It's going to display the larger character made up of your ordinary string characters. Okay, here it gets installed, and now I am going to type figlet. After typing figlet, you have to type any name. I am going to type here Danny Jack. Here you can see the Danny Jack in the larger character. It's pretty cool to see the names in the larger character. So now I am going to my next command, that is cmatrix. Cmatrix is a command which is used to display the horizontal characters for 2-3 seconds on your Android phone. Now I am going to install cmatrix by typing apt install cmatrix. After getting installed, I am going to type here cmatrix. Now here you can see the matrix format on my Android phone. It's going to display for 2-3 seconds. Okay, now it's gone. And my next command is twirl. I am going to type here apt install twirl. Twirl is a simple program which will display the character in the stylish format and also colorful format. Okay, now it gets installed. Now I am typing twirl. After typing the name, I am going to type here Danny. Okay, now here you can see the Danny in the stylish format, and if you want to add a color, further I am going to type twirl FMONO 12 capital letter F gay Danny. Okay, now here you can see the Danny in the colorful characters. So that's how you are going to create a character in the colorful format using the twirl. And my next command is W3M. W3M is a command which is going to create a search engine on your Termux. So now I am typing apt install W3M. By this command, I am going to show you Google search engine. Okay, now it gets installed, and now I am going to type W3M google.com. Here you can see the Google search engine. You can search anything here by just typing on your keyboard, but in the Termux it doesn't show any graphical formats. So that's how W3M command works. Coming to my next command, that is ifconfig. So I am going to just type ifconfig. All of us know the ifconfig displays the IP address of your LAN or WAN. Here you can see my IP address and also iNet address. It works similarly like what we get in the Windows and other OSs. So there are a few more commands which I have given in the description. You can try it yourself and have fun. So that's all in this video. Thank you.